Are you new to Elm and feeling a bit lost when it comes to handling HTTP responses? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to extract headers from an HTTP response, specifically focusing on retrieving a JWT token. I totally get it. Working with APIs can be tricky, especially when you're just starting out. Many developers have faced the challenge of extracting tokens from responses, and it can feel overwhelming at first. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, how do I write a function in Elm that sends a request and returns the token from the headers? This is a common scenario when dealing with authentication APIs. To understand the issue, we need to recognize that when you make an API call, the response can contain important information in the headers. In this case, the JWT token is what we're after, and it's crucial for authentication. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to extract that token, but also gain insights into handling HTTP responses in Elm more effectively. To begin, the user needs to set up an HTTP request in Elm to send the login credentials. This can be done using the http.post function. Next, the user should define a response handler function. This function will process the response and extract the JWT token from the headers. Now, the user can create a function to send the request and handle the response. This function will call the login request and process the result. Finally, the user should integrate this function into their Elm application. They can trigger the auth user function when needed, such as on a button click. Fun fact, JWT stands for JSON Web Token, and it's a compact way to securely transmit information between parties. Now, let's get back to coding. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use the Elm JWT library. This user suggests utilizing the get function from the library to handle JWT tokens. The function helps create a request type that can be sent using http.send or jd.send. Here's a quick tip. Always check the response status before trying to extract headers. This ensures that you're working with a successful response. And there you have it. You've learned how to send a request and extract a JWT token from the headers in Elm. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an Elm Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.